Clean side printed keycaps, a smooth gradient fade, tri-mode. Redragon really said, custom feel without the build. This is the Antonium K728 Pro, and I'm giving away 2 in partnership with Redragon. So stick around for the full review and how to win one. The Antonium K728 Pro is an 80% keyboard layout, so you still get the arrow keys, the function row, and the navigation buttons without the full-size bulk. But the real star here, it's a top-to-bottom gradient finish. It's sleek, minimal, and with the pink color, I think it's a bold risk, but Redragon nailed it. And to top it all off, the PBT keycaps being side printed actually completes the aesthetics. No shine through, no distractions, just clean matte texture. You get Redragon's Leopard L linear switches, and yes, they're pre-lubed, smooth right out of the box. It's hot swappable and it supports both 3-pin and 5-pin, so you can drop in your favorites. Internally, there's a gasket mounted plate with 5 layers of dampening foam. No hollow ping and just the right flex. Here's a quick typing test so you can hear it for yourself. It's tri-mode, USB-C wired, Bluetooth, and 2.4 GHz with the included dongle. You can pair actually up to 5 devices, 3 of them being on Bluetooth, 1 with a dongle and 2.4 GHz connection, and of course the USB-C wired connection. The south-facing RGB is bright and even, and it will not affect any other keycaps that you might want to use in this keyboard. Plus, it is powered by a 4000 mAh battery, so you get days of wireless connectivity use of this keyboard. Now, let's talk about giveaway. I'm partnering with Redragon in order to give away 2 Antonium K728 Pro keyboards. And here's how to enter. First, you must be living in one of these countries that is showing on the screen. Then, you need to subscribe and turn on notifications on both our channel right over here, MiddleAJGuy, and Redragon's official YouTube channel, which is Redragon Official, and I will put the links of those channels in the description below. And for the last step, you need to comment on this video with this exact phrase below. Only 1 comment per user is allowed. Entries will close on July 13, 2025 at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Winners will be announced 2 days later on July 15 with a winner's video on YouTube Shorts, and if you are one of the lucky winners, you need to comment on that winner's video, "I won and I want to claim it," within 2 days of posting that winner's video on YouTube Shorts. Rules on this giveaway will also be pinned on the comment section below, so do keep a lookout on that. Want one of these right now? I will leave the link for this product in the description below. And you can use the code MiddleAJGuy to get 10% discount on getting this keyboard. If this video helped you out, give it a like and hit that subscribe button right over here. And maybe watch one or more of our videos here and here. Thanks guys for watching and good luck on the giveaway.